Okay, people, we are standing here inside of the Hyatt Regency, Hoover, Birmingham, Alabama. They also got their elevators. Let's ride them. We're going this one first. Going up. Go to 15. There goes the door. 1000 River Chase Galleria is the address. Here we are at 15. Let's go and get a little view. Yep. If you guys look out here, there's more of thing you can see. Look straight over there. There you can see a water tower that looks like a hot air balloon. More downtown Birmingham's down that way. This is all you can see. Look at that old phone right there. You know, front desk, the number you need to hit is 0. Let's call another car up here. There's your floor map. And there's 30 rooms here on 15. And right through this door are the service elevators. I remember that I made a video here in 2023. It was in the spring. Look at these 15s. Take another look at the sunset. Whoa, whew, just about fell. Here's an elevator. Hey. Now let's go down to the lobby. And let's get a cab view. We have 9 lights on the mirror ceiling. Up there you can see me. Hey. There's the address, the Dover side. Ooh, a 98 compliant phone. Well, if you guys liked the video, y'all smash that like button, leave a comment down below, and make sure to hit thanks and subscribe to Tennessee Elevators here at the Hyatt Regency, Hoover, Birmingham. Here we are at lobby. That's it.